All right, so we're continuing on with the Bohr model. Aluminum has mass of 27, atomic number 13. It's going to have 13 protons because it has 13 atomic number. Number of neutrons are 14. That's 27 minus 13. And then the first circle gets 2. Aluminum is in period 3 right here. So I know it's going to have 3 circles or 3 energy levels. 2, and then make sure as you are putting your dots, you are keeping track of your count as well. Okay, and I have placed 10. Remember, second circle can have maximum 8. Maximum 8. So the rule is 2, 8, 8, and the leftover goes on to the next one. We're only concerned up to calcium. So I have placed 10 electrons so far, and let's do 1, 2, 3, 13. The valence electron for aluminum is 3 valence electrons. Next one is the silicon. Silicon has 28 for the mass, 14 for the atomic number, 14 proton, and it's going to have 14 neutrons. Once again, silicon is in third period, so it's going to have 3 energy levels or 3 circles. Remember, as you're putting your dots, you need to keep track of how many you have placed. I have placed 10 so far. I still have 4 more to go. And here we go. So silicon has 4 valence electrons. The next one we have is the phosphorus. And phosphorus has mass number, I'm going to round it up to 31. Atomic number is 15. So we're going to have 15 and 16 for neutrons because 31 minus 15 is 16. There we go. And remember to keep track of your dots. And phosphorus is in period 3, so it's going to have 3 circles. I've placed 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Valence electron for phosphorus is 5 valence electrons. Remember, once again, valence electrons are the electrons that are in the outermost circle. Okay, so we have done up to phosphorus so far. Let's do sulfur. Sulfur has 32, mass 16. Very easy, guys. 16 for the protons, 16 for the neutrons, and it's going to have 3 circles because it's in period 3. And let's do our 8 dots right here. And I have how many left? I have placed 10. I have 6 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sulfur has 6 valence electrons. Alright, I hope this video was helpful. In the next one, I will continue on. My goal is to do up to calcium. Thank you for watching.